Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the bike check for the 2020 Elite Destro Oil Slick. I broke a lot of it, I'm not gonna lie. So here's what I replaced. Stolen Sumo sprocket, shadow interlock. These pedals are 10 years old. These pegs are 10 years old. These grips are 10 years old. White walls, 15 bucks at Dance Comp. The pedals were 15 bucks at some bike shop. The pegs, I actually got them from Ray's on 76th. That ain't with us no more. 97 Dyno Slammer bars. 2010 Miracle M16 neck. 2010 DK Dayton fork. Yeah. So it's not really an Elite Destro anymore. The only thing that's original is the seat and the crank legs. Swapped out everything else. But, hey, you know how it goes. It's 6 months. Pay 400, put another 400 into it. And it looks like I bought it off a marketplace, don't it? Like and subscribe for more. This is Sunny, over and out.